Kia ora team and Happy New Year. I guess like a lot of you, I'm kind of back at work now. I had a really great holiday break, but what I really love about the beginning of the year is that this is the time where I can actually start focusing on some of those little admin tasks, those little tidbits that I don't always get the opportunity to work throughout the rest of the year. And one of the things that kind of came up recently for me was having to look at updating the date that sits in the footer across both my email and my landing page templates. It's something that's so easily forgotten, but it's really easy for us to look at fixing and kind of simplifying a little bit. So I wanted to kind of go through this process with you to walk you through how we can simplify it and even automate the whole process so you don't have to worry about it for next year. Now, to start, we have to talk about my tokens. And for those of you who aren't already using my tokens, they are very similar to the tokens that you're already using within your emails. So for something, say like, "Hi Josh," in your email. Now, the main difference is that a standard token is going to pull through data from a lead record that exists in your database. My tokens, where they slightly differ here, is that they're going to pull through data that you have outlined at either a program or a folder level. Now, let's jump into Marketo so we can actually show you how they work. Now, you can see here on my default program, we've got the My Tokens tab. And when I click here, I've already created a My Token called Headline, and I've populated this with the line, "Josh and Grace are super cool." You'll see when I open up my email, I do have my headline token sitting right here. And when I preview this email, Marketo is going to pull through that line, that Josh and Grace are super cool, that I inserted at the program level right here into my email. Now, what's cool about this is how we can look at using My Tokens to look at populating our date fields within our email templates. Now, we're going to start by creating a brand new My Token on a folder. Now, the good thing about My Tokens is that they are inherited. So it means that I can put my new date token on a folder that sits right at the very top of my folder structure, meaning all programs and folders that sit below that in my tree are going to inherit that variable. So I'm going to create this right here. To start, I'm going to head to the My Tokens tab and drag a text token down onto the stage. Next, I'm going to give this token a name, and I'm going to call this date-year. In the next box, this is where we're going to put our year, so 2020. I'll save this, highlight and copy my new token, and all I have to do next is open up my email template that sits under Design Studio, edit the HTML, replace my 2019 date with the new token, and it's that easy. Now, this definitely simplifies the process. I mean, you no longer have to edit your email and landing page templates every year. What it still means, though, is you have to remember to edit the date on the folder. So we can take this one step further by automating it. Now, the amazing Courtney Grimes has pulled a blog post together, and that's been titled, "The New Year is Coming, Don't Be That Company, Update Your Date." And in it, Courtney walks you through how you can automate the date for both your email and landing page templates. For emails, all we need to do is essentially replace our date-year token with a brand new script token. And if we head back to our top level folder, we can do this by dragging the script token down to the stage and follow the same process that we did before. Now, Courtney has been super awesome and has provided a snippet of code for us to copy and paste into our new token here. The one thing that we need to be aware of is that the time zone in the snippet might not match the time zone your Marketo instance is on. Now, this may not matter too much since we're just focused on a year, but it might be something you want to consider changing. Now, for landing pages, it's so much easier. Courtney has once again been amazing and has provided us with a snippet of JavaScript, and all we need to do is replace the date in our landing page template with the JavaScript that's been provided. And every year, that's just going to update for us. And that's it. You can kind of just sit back, relax, and not have to worry about updating your date next year, which is kind of awesome. That's pretty much everything I wanted to cover off today, guys. But if you've got any questions, feel free to pop a comment down below. Otherwise, have yourself an awesome rest of the week, and I will see you next time.